Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Answer the Public for question-based SEO research easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Answer the Public website. Once the page loads, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to view the options available. You will see a prompt to enter a keyword or phrase related to your niche. Type your chosen keyword in the search bar. Next, select your preferred language and region from the options available. After entering the information, click the search button to initiate the query. The tool will generate a range of questions and phrases related to your keyword. Click on Sign Up to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration page with multiple sign-up options. Choose to sign up using your email or through social media accounts. If you select email, fill in your name, email address, and create a password. After filling in your details, check your email inbox for a verification email from Answer the Public. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Answer the Public site and log in with your credentials. Now that you're logged in, explore the dashboard for additional features. Consider upgrading to a paid plan if you require more comprehensive data access. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information if you choose to upgrade. After subscribing, you can begin conducting question-based SEO research. Utilize the various tools and resources available on the platform to enhance your research. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.